Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ronisha, and I'm back with another video. Now, I'm going to start off with my eyebrows. I hardly ever do my eyebrows on camera, but today I just figured because my eyeshadow was minimal that why not do my eyebrows even though they look like trash, garbage. But yeah, anyway, so we're going to fill them in with our ABH Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. And I'm going to clean them up with my Too Faced concealer. I think it's the Born This Way concealer, the original one, and it's in the shade Dark. Now I'm going to take my NYX eyeshadow base. This is actually the eyeshadow base and the NYX Jumbo Pencil mixed together in this little container, and I'm just going to pat this on my eye. This is really sticky because that jumbo pencil and milk is really thick and sticky kind of consistency, and then I just mixed it with the base, and I'm just going to pat that in so that everything is nice and flat. And like I said, this is really sticky. So now I'm going to go into the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. I'm going to just set under my brow bone. Then I'm going to go into the Take Me to Brazil BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to use that white to set the eyelid part, that white part of the eyelid, because it was really sticky and I want my shadows to go on nicely. I don't want any patchiness anywhere. So now I'm going to go into the Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm going into that blue. I know I'm actually pointing in between the blue and that green, but I'm taking the blue and then the one that's underneath it. And I'm just going to put those on my eyelid. Those are the only two colors that I'm going to use. And I'm just going to buff that blue into the crease, and then I'm going to put that green on the lid area. And then after that, I'm going to take a clean blending brush, and I'm going to diffuse the outer portion of the eyeshadow. So after all that is done, I had this NYC liquid liner laying around, so I grabbed it. You guys know that I usually use my NYX matte liquid liner, and I'm not really a big fan of the wand or the brush on this. I think it's too fat, and yeah, I'm just not a fan of this one because of the wand or the brush. But I'm going to create a wing. So I missed a take, or I missed a step, and I was supposed to add this ColourPop Super Shock Shadow on my lid, and yeah, so I have to go in now, and this is in the shade Sugar Baby, Sugar Mama, something about sugar. I'll leave it the exact name down in the description bar. And this is the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow, and I thought it was really pretty, and I needed a little more shimmer in my life. Even though the eyes are simple, I still wanted a little more in depth. I was kind of going for a winter wonderland kind of feeling. So yeah, so I'm taking the NYX, it's their glitter liner, and I'm just popping that on my eyes, using it as a base for the chunky glitters that I'm going to put on. And I'm using that one in the shade Crystal. It's the NYX face and body glitter, and it's in Crystal. And then once this is done, if I messed up any liner, I can always go back and fix that. Now, to keep this video kind of affordable and drugstore-ish, I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is the Matte and Poreless foundation, and I think I mixed warm cocoa and deep bronze together. I don't know why I did that. I don't know why I did that, but that's what I did. So here it is, and hopefully it works out. Taking the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This is the truth. I am going to put this under the eyes, the bridge of the nose, the lip, the forehead, and I think the chin. Yeah. And this is another affordable, like, bomb concealer. It's only $6. I'm like itching to try the foundations, but I have yet to get them. Don't mind me because I'm always doing some kind of silly face. I'm just very goofy naturally. And doing these voiceovers, I really can't show my personality. But I try to stick a little bit here and there in there because it's always something going on in my background. So I can never do like talk throughs because it's always something. This day when I filmed this, I was washing my clothes, and where I film my videos, my laundry area is right next door, and yeah, it's pretty loud. So I can never do, talk throughs. So these voiceovers are gonna have to do for now. To set all those concealed areas, I'm gonna use the Sacha Buttercup translucent powder, setting powder. Yeah. And I'm using the Real Technique sponge, the same one that I use to apply my foundation. It's so funny because I know all the products by heart, but as soon as I get on here to do these voiceovers, my mind go blank, and I'm like, well, I don't remember what that is. It's so annoying. And I try to minimize my and it's just, it's a mess. So sorry about that. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to take the Sephora Micro Smooth Face Bake Powder, and I'm going to use this on a kabuki brush. I think I got this kabuki brush from Amazon. It came inside a set of, I think, like 10 or 12 brushes, and they were like $10. Now I'm going to take the Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm going to use that contour shade, and this is the dark palette, and I'm going to use this on a Wet n Wild angled blending brush, contour brush. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's angled fluffy brush, and these brushes are only $1. I just went to my local Dollar Tree, and I just took everything that was on the rack. You can even sometimes find their fluffy blending brushes there at the Dollar Tree, so yeah. Or like Walgreens or something like that, they have them there also. $1, and they are worth it, and they get the job done. Taking the same powder out of that Black Radiance palette, I'm going to use I'm going to use a BH cosmetic brush to contour my nose. I usually use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. You see the way I looked? That powder was dark, and I don't like a harsh nose contour. Like, that's just not my life. But yeah. Then I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Natural Setting Spray, and I am going to set my face. I love this setting spray. Why nobody told me about this? I'm like, why nobody told me about this spray? It's like the best thing next to the MAC Fix Plus. I'm still wondering why nobody told me. But anyways, once that's all dried down a little bit, I'm going to go into my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighters. And if you know me personally, you know that I swear by these. And yes, I took all 4 or 5 of those and I slapped them on my face. I did. No shame in my game. Highlighter is life. Highlighter is everything. I'll put highlighter on when I don't have no foundation on, and just skin moisturizer. Highlighters is everything. Now, to complete the eyes, I'm going to take that same base that I use for my eyes, and I'm going to put a little bit underneath, and I'm going to take that blue, the first blue that I put on my eyes, and I'm just going to pat that on my eyes. Then I also put a little bit of black in the waterline. I used the black that was in the BH Cosmetics palette. It's kind of like a gray. It's a black, but it's not a dark black. So I use that to put in the waterline just to conceal when I put my mascara on my bottom lashes. That's pretty much what I did. And for lips, I used the K liner from ColourPop. That's like my all-time favorite liner. And I used a lipstick from Milani, and I created a nice nude ombre feeling going on. This is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's very simple. You can apply this method to any type of eyeshadow look that you're going for. It could be any color and it'll come out the same way. I hope you guys have a great one, and I will see you again. Take care. Wait, I'm back. I have to tell you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell.